Hey loves, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be installing another wig and I'm gonna jump right in and start prepping my natural hair. I'm here slicking back my hair so it can stay as flat as possible and it doesn't get on the way of the installation. And here I'm showing you guys the hair. This unit is from Nadula hair. It's so beautiful. It's a HD lace 5x5 closure wig and it's absolutely stunning, as you guys can see. It's very full, very beautiful. I'm trying to show you guys as well as possible on camera how transparent this lace is. Like, I literally had a hard time seeing the lace, and that was before I even put on some foundation. The next step is, of course, to put some foundation on my lace and then blow dry it so it's, all set in so it can blend better with my skin tone. Here's another view of the lace on my skin. Like, literally, like, it looks like this hair it's coming out of my scalp. The next step I'm going to do is cut the sides of the closure. This helps for the installation to go smoother and for the lace to completely disappear. Look at that, the lace. Lace is literally undetectable right now. So I'm going to move on to applying the wig. I'm going to be using the lace spray from eBay, and I usually do about 2 tiny coats under the lace, and I use my blow dryer in a cold setting to make sure it's tacky enough for the lace to stick to it, and then I place the lace where I want it to stay. After I do that, I make sure the closure it's not moving around, and I use a small comb and blow dryer to basically set everything. Then I add some more spray on top of that. I usually do 1 coat or 2. It really all depends on how much I need, how much I feel that I need in order to make sure it's all laid. And yeah, just use my blow dryer and my small comb until I'm completely happy and how, melted. Now that my lace it's fully dried, I'm gonna take a little razor thingy for eyebrows, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut my lace as close to my hairline as possible. Of course, when you cut the wig, it kind of lifts a little bit. I just use a tiny amount of spray and the end of the small comb to basically glue it back on. The less product you use after applying the lace, the best. After I'm satisfied with my lace work, I'm gonna go ahead and get some hairs aside for the baby hairs, and then I'm going to tie my frontal with the elastic band. Next step is of course to make sure the wig is laid and flat on the top, and I achieved that by using some wax stick and my hot comb and working section by section to make sure, you know, everything is it's flat. We don't like bulky wigs on this side, so yeah, this step it's a must. As you guys can see, this is the side by side of when my lace is already flat and when it's not, and I'm gonna work on the other side off cameras, and here is both sides all flat and nice. Love that. And then I'm gonna just move on and work on the hair. So this is the hair. This is how the hair looks. It's 24 inches and it gets basically down to my waist because I'm extremely tiny. So any kind of hair looks long on me. And yeah, I'm just gonna add some curls to it. I'm gonna use my flat iron. I literally cannot stop curling my hair with a flat iron. Since the moment I learned how to do this, I just couldn't stop. And this hair looks so nice. It takes the heat in beautifully. Of course, I made sure to add some heat protectant. And yeah, I didn't want dramatic curls, but I also didn't want the curls to be super loose. So I did something, I don't know. I was just happy with how it looked. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this little portion of the video and then I'll come back. Comparison of, you know, the before and after curls. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing that I did, repeat the same curls on the other side. Now that my hair is fully curled, I'm gonna go ahead and let them sit for a little bit. I did not pin the curls because, like I said, I was not looking for any kind of like super dramatic curls, but I let them sit before combing it. combing them, and I went ahead and I removed the elastic band, and of course did my little side baby hairs or edges, I don't know. But yeah, that's what I did to like finish up with the look a little bit. And I just use regular schmegler edge control, and you know that just works the best for me. You can use mousse, you can use anything that works for you. For me, it's just regular gel works perfect for me. I am not an expert, so when it comes to cutting hair, I always fear with my lives. I'm always literally so scared to cut my hair. But this time I was like, let me just do it, and you know, I think it looked good. I think it came out really nice. At this point, I was just, you know, styling the hair until I'm happy with the results. You know, using the flat iron and a brush and a comb. You know, just working towards the hair. And honestly, I am so happy with the results. This hair itself, it's so beautiful. Like literally, the curls looked amazing. It just like it took in the heat so beautifully. I feel like a lot of hairs don't take heat that well, but this one was stunning. So this is just beautiful. You cannot tell me this hair doesn't look amazing. Like Nadula snapped. Lace undetectable. Look at that. Where is the lace? You cannot find this lace. It looks amazing. I'm honestly so surprised. It looks so good. The lace looks amazing. It blends so well on my scalp. The curls, amazing. Everything about this hair is just bomb, bomb, bomb. So yeah, this is everything about this video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I have all the links for the hair on my description box, just as well as my social media profiles, so make sure to check it out. Please make sure to check my social medias so we can, you know, keep in touch. I'll be posting some bomb pictures with this hair on my Instagram, so stay tuned for that, and see you on my next video. Bye.